As you sing higher, you want to thin out the voice. You don't want to take all that weight with you up high. So if I'm going to do something like this, up, up, up. Can you hear how the voice becomes thinner? It doesn't become less solid and less firm, but it becomes a bit smaller. Up, up, up. That's what you have to do in order to sing high notes. And how you do it is you place the sound vertically as if it's going right here and into the back. You want to imagine it going here and into the back. Oh! See, it sounds firm and strong, but I'm not taking all the weight up. I'm not going, oh, and I'm, not strangling myself. Oh, good chord closure and thinning out of the voice. That is the key to high notes.